WhatsApp marketing is now must for a business. Companies like JioMart, Tata Click, Flipkart, MakeMyTrip, Myntra, and even our Indian Railways are using WhatsApp Business API to drive sales and improve customer service. It's not just for chatting with friends and family anymore. It's a powerful marketing tool. So forget about emails and SMS because WhatsApp boasts a 94% message open rate, ensuring your message gets read. So if you have not explored WhatsApp Business API yet, you are not in the game, my friend. LeminAi. It's a marketing platform used by all big brands. And being an official Meta tech provider, they will get you the Meta verified blue tick in seconds. With LeminAi, you can send messages with call to action button and quick reply button. Manage high volumes of incoming messages with multi-agent live chat and build unlimited chatbot and much more with API integration. Try LeminAi free for 15 days. Don't get left behind. Sign up today on chat.leminai.com. Link is given in the description box.